as you can. We are headed to Homegoods to get some organization stuff, and we're going to organize the kitchen today. So I figured I'd take y'all along, and hopefully they'll take it out. Oh, and food line. We have to get some grapes and stuff. But yeah, and that's it. Hello again. We are at home. It's about 3 hours later, I would say. We went to Homegoods, TJ Maxx, McDonald's, and Walmart. So I'm about to go and load the stuff out of the car. Then I'll show you what I got. Okay, I'm back out with my comfies on, my hair pulled back. I'm ready to show you all we got, and I'm ready to use it. I'm so ready to organize this kitchen. Oh my gosh. You know how when something's a mess, then like, you can't really keep it clean because like it stays like getting more and more mess. That's how my kitchen's been, and I'm just like, oh, I can't take it anymore. So it's time to just do it. Okay, let's do this haul. Let's start, I'll just start with the grocery stuff that I got from Walmart. Clear spoons. I was gonna try to not get plastic stuff, but I can't. I don't care. Cosmic brownies, some bananas, grapes, chocolate chip cookies. I burnt Kinsley's cookie dough I got her the other day, and I felt awful. And I never burn cookies, and that's 2 times in 2 weeks. So got those. Some tahini for our supper tonight. Chicken for our supper. We had some in the freezer, but honestly, I forgot to lay it out, so I just picked up some more. Grapes, if I didn't already say that. We are going through produce so fast at our house. Like, that's our 2nd bag of grapes this week. We're going through it so fast. Mexican crema for our supper tonight. Whole milk. And then a pineapple, again, going through stuff so fast. And then, like I said, I was gonna try not to buy paper plates, but I got the Chinette ones this time, which I kind of regret because they're super expensive, but they're just a lot better, honestly. They're a lot better. And so I got those. And there's 80 in there. That'll last us for a while. So, paper plates. Then let's go on to our organizing stuff. I got 2 sets of these, so 4 total. Because our island, when we designed our kitchen, we decided to go with like a sink base, which is like all the cabinets for our island. And there's no shelves in that. So, we didn't really think that part through. But we, because we just redid our kitchen last year. I probably should preface with that. We redid our kitchen last year. I used to have like a teeny little brown box of a kitchen, and now I have like a big white bright kitchen. Okay, but anyway, got these for the island to put like pots, pans, stuff like that on. I got this for the refrigerator. It says utensil tray, but I use it to put like cheese sticks in and stuff like that in the fridge drawer. And then this one has the non-slippies on it. That's the main reason I wanted that one. I got this for like juice that I keep in the fridge. The girls don't really drink juice, but like every once in a while I'll have some different kind of their orange juice or whatever. I got 2 of these for salad mix and watermelon because it's supposed to keep it fresher. And I'm super excited. It's really big, so I'm really excited about those. And then I got this 3-pack for probably like the snack cabinet and stuff. And I'm not really sure exactly yet. And then I got a beauty blender from TJ Maxx because I lost mine at the beach. I don't know what happened to it, but I got a new one. I don't love this shape, but I wanted a black one, so that's all I got. Not too much, but I'm excited to get organizing. But first, I think we're gonna start with the fridge, and I am so embarrassed to show you what it looks like right now because it is literally terrible. And this is a brand new fridge. Like, we just got it last year, and I told Jonathan, I was like, keep it organized. And like my past 5 grocery trips, I've just kind of thrown stuff in here and not prepped any of it. So don't judge me. Okay, there's one side, and here's the other side. It's so bad, and like that whole gallon of milk goes back bad tomorrow, so I have to throw it away. And then it's just bad. It needs to be cleaned. It needs to be organized and everything. And then now let's show you the drawer. It's the worst. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. I'm so embarrassed to show you this, but we're gonna get it organized and make it look 1,000 times better. So here's our before. I'm gonna zoom out. Here's our before, and I'm gonna zoom back in. Our before, and then we will take an after in just a little bit, and hopefully it will look a lot better than this. might put some of that spray and wash in it from the dome stuff, because there's some spots that are like real sticky, like something like sticky spilt, like syrupy. So I'm probably gonna do that while it sits by it like that, and while I throw some stuff away, and then we get back to it. Okay, I had to pause my video. I'm watching Jessica O'Donoghue on YouTube. She's like really one of the ones that inspired me to start my channel. I love her channel. I'll tag it below if I figure out how. But anyway, her and her husband are hilarious. But anyway, I put my juice, I washed this really quick, the one thing I just got from Homegoods. I put it in there. It's like a perfect fit. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and then I'm gonna keep on strolling on. That juice thing just popped and scared me. Okay, I just want to chime in really quick and say I have tried to freeze one of these before, because I know you can freeze sour cream. Do not freeze these. They turn out absolutely disgusting. They do not get their consistency back, I guess because you can't like stir it, and it was a complete waste of a whole sour cream. So don't try to freeze these. Even if you can freeze the tubs of sour cream, don't freeze these squeeze bottles. And it just nasty, okay? Nasty. Okay, I got our containers all washed and stuff, so I am going to prep my salad to put in here, and then prep some watermelon to put in there. Oh, I don't really like how it's printed red. Oh well. But yeah, I'm gonna prep some watermelon to put in one, and my salad mix to put in another. And it says you slide it open for fruit and closed for vegetables. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's prep some veggies. Okay, I wanted to add real quick, this romaine isn't washed yet, so because this has this basket, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, wash it in that basket, let it dry off, and then put it in the fridge because I just don't see the point in washing it like this when I'm about to cut a bunch of this off. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, everything is so much better. I think this video is only going to be my fridge because I'm literally so tired. This took me forever, but doesn't it look so much better? So all the drinks and stuff are up there. Jonathan mainly drinks bottled water. I drink it out of the fridge. But then my juice container, the milk, our eggs. This is like lettuce for salads, a big thing of watermelon, grapes. In here we have that cut up zucchini, bell pepper, broccoli, and the herbs. And here we have those apple slices, the pineapple, and strawberries. And then I keep like butter down here because I honestly don't have anywhere else to keep it. I don't like it. It's kind of just out of the way. And then these are the tortillas we use. And then that's our chicken for supper tonight. But this is better. Honestly, it's better than it was. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. And now it's time to show you the drawer. Oh, I forgot to take an after picture. Let's take an after picture. Okay. I want to make sure I get like drawers and stuff. Oh, I'll make sure I get like the drawers and stuff. Okay, now let's do the drawer. Let me put it on one. You don't need to zoom out. It is so much better. And this little thing with like the no slippy, like usually my thing I had in here before would slide all the way to the back and it would get on my nerves so bad. So this one has like little grippies on the bottom, so it's not going anywhere. So that one just has like snacks and Laughing Cow cheese and stuff like that in it. And then here we keep our American cheese in one of these because it's the perfect size because we get the deli slices. Then I couldn't figure out what to do with all my bags of cheese. I usually put them in containers like this, but I didn't have enough of the square ones. So I just kept them in the bag so I know what they were and then put them in this big container just to keep them contained. And then we eat the ready cooked bacon, so that's in there. Our deli meat we have left. Bacon bits, I put that in the girls' eggs and stuff. Some pepperonis, hot dogs, Jonathan's pimento cheese, yogurts, hash browns. It just looks so much better than it did. Oh my gosh. This makes me feel so happy that I got this all clean and just organized now. So I think that's gonna be all for today's video. It's just organize the fridge with me because whew, I'm tired. That was a lot of work and I have a big mess to clean up from everything I took out of the fridge and it's just a mess. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, and give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like it. And I'll be back soon with Organize My Kitchen with me because I have a lot more to do, but it just didn't happen today. So hope you have a great day and hope to see you again. Bye.